Good afternoon, this is Steve with Born Again Torinos, and I just wanted to give you another short little update. And for those who didn't get to see the interior, it might be a little dark in here, but I'm in the shop, and yeah, it is too dark in here. And the dome light does work. I just take the fuse out because I have the doors open so much it would just drain the battery. But this is the interior, and this is what I've been working on. It's two different areas. This is a stud welder, and you slide these copper pins into the end, and then you hold it up to where you want to weld, and you weld on these rods, and then you use a slide hammer, which I'll show you on the other side how that works. It works really slick and allows you to not have to drill holes to pull dents if you can't get behind it. I can't get behind this. There is a support, let's see, right here, right where I need it. There's a support right here, and this is inaccessible for me to get behind. And you grind these rods off after you welded them on. And, well, I'll show you on the other side. But this, I'm going to do a little more pulling. But you can see, you just put it where you want to pull. It's really obvious where you need to pull. And slide it out. I had dolly and hammered this thing when the interior panel was out. I could reach it, so I could get it. Ouch. Yeah, they're sharp. Okay, I could get in here, behind here, and dolly, and I could reach around. I had my dolly on the inside and outside, and hammer and do all that stuff. But for my, not finishing touch, but just how do you word it? Just part of the progression of you can't do everything a certain way. You got to use all the tools you have at your disposal, and I prefer this way. I think most people do, but that's coming out really well. And you can kind of see these were low spots where these pins are. Oh, my slide hammer. This is going to be really difficult to show you with one hand. You got this little roller here. You roll it back, and then it slides on the pin, and then you lock it, and then you can pull it and pull the slide hammer and pull it out. But it's just a 2-pounder, because you're not straightening frames. You're not doing the hardcore stuff. You're just fixing little dings and dents and making it so you can use as minimal amount of filler as possible. That's coming out really well. So after I get this done, and you grind these off, and you do it again until you're real happy with it, and then you start using filler. That's where I'm at now. I don't really have anything else to show you, because there was really only 2 spots. Everything else is looking good. So, well, that's it for now. This is a nice short video, and please subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and please like the video. And I'm not monetizing videos or anything. I just want as much people to see this as possible, and maybe they don't have to reinvent the wheel, because I learned so much from other car guys on YouTube. I don't have cable TV, I don't have satellite, and I find guys that are just like you and me are the most entertaining and fun to watch. And if you want to laugh, look on YouTube for vice grip garage, and you will just bust a gut. But he's super informative as well, and you will learn so much. Go and take a look at Zach of All Trades. You're gonna learn something, and be entertained at the same time. So, and then there's just so many good car ones out there. It's not the drama shows that you see on cable and satellite, where it's scripted and they're throwing wrenches and they're just you learn nothing. Things are staged. I'd rather learn from someone who's actually practically doing it and save me the headache of trying to figure it out. So please check out those, and thank you for tuning in. And I guess the next video you see, and I don't know what day it's going to be, is going to be the first layer of fill, and I will be grinding off this guy here. So we may be doing some more dent pulling when I find out what's hiding in there. Isn't that awesome? I just love it when guys do this. Look at that. In fact, maybe I should go get a screwdriver right now. And this is taking lucky. Yeah. I have a GoPro, and I don't think it does HD. It might. I might be able to get away with using it. And then I can... Oh, there we go. Oh, look at this. Oh, isn't that awesome? Oh, 1/8 inch thick. Oh my goodness. I think this was a cake maker in the spare time. I can't even pry that off. Look at the surface rust coming out of that. Thank God the metal is good. I need something bigger. Ah, there you go. Yay, it's just scale. But look at how thick that is. That is just, there's no call for that. You just scratch your head. I just don't really know what to say. Oh my. Okay. Wow. I may save that piece. Glenn, this is for you. You got a new coaster at home. Wow. All right. Well, I've been dying to do that. Dying to get that off there. Man, oh man. Okay. Enough of that. Thank you. And this has been Steve with Born Again Torinos, and good night.